Wow, that looks really good. You can't even tell like the paint difference. That looks awesome. Hey guys, how's it going? So I mentioned in my last video when I was painting the Yamaha that I'm gonna refinish this fender on this 225DX, and the paint that I'm gonna use is this sunburst yellow Rust-Oleum. You can see here where this sticker I just peeled off, it matches pretty good. So my plan is I'm gonna wet sand it. I'm gonna start off with 220, and I'm going to finish with 800. And then I got some adhesion promoter, and then we'll paint it. So I've already kind of wet sanded and painted a little bit right here, just as testing. And this side I haven't touched at all, so this looks pretty rough. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this hardware for the mud flaps off, and then we can start sanding. All right, got the hardware for the mud flaps off. Now we'll take some 220, go ahead and wet it down with some water. All right, we'll use the heat gun to get these decals off. I do have new decals coming that I ordered off eBay. All right, now we'll go to 400. All right, now I'll go 600. All right, now we'll do 800. All right, we'll get this rinsed down. All right, we got it all masked off and it's dry, so we're gonna go ahead and put some adhesion promoter on. All right, here's our Rust-Oleum yellow. Alright guys, fast forward about 5 days. I got a couple coats of paint on here. There's a couple areas that aren't turning out so well. This is like massive orange peel right here. And on this side, I'm kind of getting like fish eyes. Not sure why, but I think the plan is I'm going to sand this down. And I got some plastic primer, maybe that'll help. And I also picked up some more paint today. And I also got my decal kit in the mail this week. I kind of peeled the corner back of one of these to see how good it would match the yellow, and it's a pretty good match, it looks like. So once we're all done painting, we'll get those decals on too. All right, let's get this sanded. All right, so that's pretty smooth now. I'm gonna try hitting that with this plastic primer. Also have a little spot right here. Yeah, still doing it. Not sure why. All right, so I wiped that off, and then I'm kind of just doing some light coats, and it seems to be better.
Been chasing this moth all around the house, but I finally got them.
All right, this seems to be somewhat working. So let this dry. All right, so these areas turned out a lot better. It's acceptable for a backyard paint booth. So now I got some clear coat. We'll put some clear coat on this. All right, giving it some time to dry, and I'm dying to get these decals on to see what they look like, so let's give that a shot. All right, I'm probably gonna try to maintain a gap here. Something like that. Wow, that looks really good. You can't even tell like the paint difference. That looks awesome. All right, let's do the other side. gotta say, this turned out way better than I thought it would. Look at that. Alright, let's try getting these on. Wow, that looks good. Alright, let's get the other side. Alright, let's see how this looks on the bike. Alright, check it out. Turned out pretty nice. So now I'll work on the front half here. Take these decals off and get these painted. And then I do have some rubber material to try to make some mud flaps. Let's see how that goes as well. But I am liking this color. Look at that match. Can't get much closer than that. Alright, thanks for following along. Stay tuned for more progress on this. Thanks for watching.